Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to meet one of my oldest friends for lunch. We've been friends for like 15 years now. There's a small Turkish restaurant in Southeast London. So we're going to go there and eat some nice fresh kebab. Stay with us. I'm gonna show you and explain everything, the detail, the address and the price and how the food. Hope you like it. Yeah, I'm on the bus. Should take 15 minutes to get there. Yeah, it's a bit cold today. 7 degrees Celsius. No sun. Miserable day. But I'm really excited to meet my friend. Hope to have fun and enjoy the food. Yeah, finally I'm here and I'm like 10 minutes late. My friend already ordered my food. These people don't really like when you are late somewhere. So let me show you the place now. That's the little place called Eat Turkish. Got to cross the road now. Yep, that's the place. Looks a bit busy. Not much space to sit here. Let's go. Let's see. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Sorry, man. I was praying.
Maybe I should come with him.
Yeah, next time, inshallah.
Where's Ray?
What? It's near my house. There is a small mosque. Yeah, we pray there.
What you're recording?
Yeah, for YouTube.
Check the food.
Yeah, what else? Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's good. So what did you order? The same food? Same thing we eat?
Kebab meal.
Always? Yeah, kebab meal, that's the one. This place is amazing. Hasn't got much space to sit, but yeah, you can
Anyone in
order.
Southeast, recommended.
Highly recommended.
Highly recommended.
Yeah,
Eat Turkish.
eat Turkish. Yeah, TikTok is now one of the best places you can just go for marketing. I think these are free for us, right? It comes to the food. It's amazing. This bread, they freshly make it.
Freshly made.
Yeah, madam,
Handmade.
handmade
They give you these starters.
starters, and there's a yogurt drink. Nice. So finally our food is here. I'm really excited. Let's try it, yeah. There's the food. Look at that. It's amazing. Comes with these 2 sauces. How much this flour cost? 10 pounds? This one is with the drink and everything. It's 11.90 per person. Look at that, the place. I'll drop a link for this place. You can try it. Now, let's enjoy the food, yeah? How's the food?
Fantastic.
Now after our lunch, we're finally here for coffee. Yeah, I see. Costa is our favorite. Finished our coffee. This amazing view. So if you like my video, please subscribe. We'll come up with the next amazing food review and another amazing restaurant, I think. Till then, take care. Bye bye.